On a busy highway in New York City, a biker was carefully lane splitting through traffic. Riding between cars demands full attention from both the rider and drivers nearby. One driver suddenly switched lanes without signaling or checking mirrors properly. Thankfully, the rider avoided serious injury and managed to get back up quickly. It's also important to remember that lane splitting is illegal in New York. Moments like these show why wearing full protective gear matters every single ride. During Halloween celebrations in Tokyo, the streets were packed with energy and excitement. But things quickly went wrong when an inexperienced rider hopped onto a high-powered motorcycle. The rider twisted the throttle too aggressively, causing the front wheel to lift unexpectedly and the bike to lose balance. Powerful motorcycles require smooth throttle control and experience. If you're new to riding, starting with a smaller bike is always the safer choice. Over in Fresno, California, an electric biker recorded a heated road rage encounter. Traffic was moving slowly, and the biker stayed in the bike lane while passing vehicles.
So this is me on my electric bike. It's a Saron. Right now I'm in the bike lane, passing everybody up like I should be because I am a bike. The next street coming up, keep in mind, does not have a bike lane whatsoever. And if you look onto the right-hand shoulder when I look over, you'll see the sign. It says right lane turns right only. Now, the truck that just passed, if you just saw him, he's in that lane. What he's trying to do is slingshot past all this traffic. And you'll see right here in a second when we catch up to him what happens. We'll get right into the video.
Up ahead, the right lane became a turn-only lane, but a truck driver used it just to skip traffic.
I don't know what the hell that guy's doing, but you can't go straight there, buddy. Just, it's whack.
Incidents like this are a reminder that reacting emotionally on the road usually creates more problems than solutions.
You turn right there, right? It's a one lane going straight.
The same thing as we were.
I'm on a bike.
I know. It doesn't matter. You should have waited for the other truck like everybody else does. You were in the turning lane like we were. So we were both in the fucking wrong.
No, I wasn't.
Have more courtesy.
No, I wasn't. And I didn't even know what you were doing. You just honked at me. I didn't even know what you were doing. You guys, man.
Sometimes ignoring the situation is the smartest move.
Use the second lane. Oh, I know. They were mad because they said that I was cutting those people off. I was like, no, I can lane split. You were in the lane that goes onto the freeway. It's stupid. They were just dumb. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I seen you. You shop at Seymour. I think we went to high school together. Yeah, Central East, right? Yeah. Yeah. See, man.
Meanwhile in Turkey, a biker cruising down the road became distracted for only a few seconds. While adjusting his helmet. That brief distraction was enough to miss a slowing car ahead. Fortunately escaped without serious injury. Even a small lapse in focus can completely change a ride within seconds.
Oof, yeah.
In Rockland County, New York, a biker witnessed a rear-end collision between two drivers.
Check if your car is
Somebody.
Good boy.
I'm somebody that cares. I live on this street right here. Let's go.
Sit down, boy. What happened? Y'all good?
We were Gucci, Daddy. I got the scooter over here.
What's up, buddy?
This guy hit.
Make sure your dogs don't get in the street. Y'all good?
Just drive your car right there.
Yeah.
Both of you guys just drive.
Yeah, y'all should pull in.
Right here so you can get out of traffic.
Y'all should put into that street.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to tell this brother that he doesn't think that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah.
Está bueno, man.
Yo, pull into that street. Yo, guys will be better off. Yo, bro, pull into that street. The car runs?
It's not running?
Hey, don't go on the street, buddy.
They love the motorcycle, so as soon as they see that, they know you a friend.
All right, pull in. Yes, sir.
You already know it, Dad.
Yeah, huh?
You already know it.
He's not going nowhere.
The biker warned him that fleeing an accident could lead to major legal trouble, including fines and possible jail time.
KFA 2340. Yo, I got your plate. Go back. It's gonna be worse for yourself, dog.
Bro, you see? I didn't do to their car.
Yo, it's gonna be worse if you run, bro. I got your plate and everything. I'm recording right now. Go back. You'll be better off. If you ain't do nothing, nothing's gonna happen. Just go off, settle it, bro. You don't want this on your chest, bro. Go back. Go back, dog. Just make a U-E. Quick U-E, man.
Wait, here?
No, right here. Just make a U-turn right here, bro. It's not worth it. Yo, what? Stop. Go.
I don't understand.
Todo bien, bro. Let him go out.
Huh?
He's trying to get out.
Well, he saw me coming in and he came over just to dominate me.
I don't know, ma'am. He's just trying to go back. He's having a hard time, ma'am.
Despite briefly turning around, the driver eventually fled again.
Yo, bro.
No matter how small the damage may seem, leaving an accident scene almost always makes the situation worse.
Cops are already there. Stop. Turn around. Right by the light, dog. You're gonna get a hit and run charge, bro. You're cooked, man. You're cooked. Yo, bro. Yo, bro, you're cooked. Yo. You're cooked, man. You're cooked. You're cooked. KFK 2340.
This next crash happened while two riders were traveling together. Riding in groups requires proper spacing because sudden braking leaves very little reaction time. Two riders then took on the famous Tail of the Dragon, one of America's most challenging motorcycle roads.
You okay, bro?
During one corner, a rider lost control and crashed into another parked motorcycle.
You good? Did it hit you?
Yeah, this is my brand new fucking bike, man.
Where'd it hit you at?
Did I hit you? Yeah. I'll give you my information. I got full coverage.
Both riders exchanged information for insurance purposes. Looking back at the footage, the tires appeared heavily worn, which may have contributed to the crash. Tire condition plays a massive role in motorcycle safety, especially on aggressive roads. Out in the Bay Area, a biker captured another frustrating traffic moment. A driver suddenly turned across lanes with...
What? What?
Use your signal.
What?
What?
Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry?
You're pulling right in front of me.
Are you in a hurry?
No, are you? Use your signal.
I can't go on your name. You were speeding like you're in a hurry. Okay, I know, I get that. Your dash cam's gonna tell you dash cam too.
Why are you turning left from that lane?
I was trying to turn left, but you were going too fast.
You were,
I'm not gonna get late.
bro.
You in a hurry?
Shut up.
Fuck, man.
quiet road with double yellow lines, another rider watched a driver illegally overtake traffic by crossing into the opposite lane.
Where are you gonna go? There's cars up there. The idiot.
Dangerous moves like this don't only risk the driver's safety, they put everyone nearby in danger as well.
There's nobody in there. There's nobody in there. Idiot. You can go. I have you on camera. I have you on camera. I have a camera. What the f is your problem? I have you on camera, you dumb camera.
You're not going to tell me that I was wrong. You're an asshole.
Camera. 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 Oh shit.
One biker learned a painful lesson. Protective gear helped reduce injury. Riding unpredictably and constantly zigzagging between vehicles greatly increases crash risk. In St. Louis, Missouri, a biker speeding down Highway 70 suddenly suffered a mechanical failure. Luckily, the rear wheel didn't lock up at high speed, which could have caused a devastating crash. Regular maintenance is just as important as riding skill, especially when it comes to chain tension and lubrication. Elsewhere, a rider entered a corner without noticing loose gravel scattered across the road surface. Gravel can instantly reduce traction and send a motorcycle sliding. Riders should always scan corners carefully and slow down when road conditions look uncertain. If you do hit gravel, staying calm and avoiding sudden braking. In the French countryside, a peaceful ride took a turn when a biker encountered a tractor blocking the road ahead.
What are you doing, man? Absolute. Couldn't wait, could ya? Could ya? What? What? Tu veux glisser sur la mer? You could have just waited for us to go past. Dégage! Oh man. Doing you Come here then, come here. Come over here, you coming in. Coming in.
The rider had plenty of time to react, but the argument that followed between both sides. On the busy streets of London, a motorcyclist attempted to filter through traffic using the bike lane. A pickup driver slowed down to allow another vehicle through, but the rider misjudged the situation.
Oh.
Both parties exchanged insurance details afterward, though there was confusion about who was truly at fault.
Got everything on camera as well.
Yeah, you gotta watch the traffic, mate. You know, you've got.
Oh, sorry. We took each other's insurance details, which I had never been in a crash before. He had never been in a crash before, so we were both standing there, like looking at each other. So, what details do we exchange then? And at the beginning, he was like, so you do take fault on that, right? You realise that's all your fault? And I'm like, I said, no. I said, wait a minute. Although I was in the wrong in terms of undertaking, so he couldn't see me. If that had been a cyclist or something, he would have clearly knocked them off. Also, because he was coming from a side road onto a main, I'm in the right because I'm I'm on the main road, so he should have been. Was it due care and attention? I don't know what they call it.